Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are good and fine at home. Students, today also we are going to discuss about the multiplication word problems. Okay, in the last class also we have discussed the same topic. Today also we have we are going to discuss the same. Just see. So, students, today also the topic which we are going to cover that same. Okay, only the little bit explanation and how to write the statement again that I'm going to do. Okay, more statements, how to write the statement. You can see what it is written multiplication written na? So multiplication is a quick way of adding group of things means if so many things are there, it is a quick way of adding the things together. Each group must have same number of things in it means it is not like that one group is having 3, second is having 4, and third is having 5. No, it should be 3 group means if there is a 3 group, then equal number of things should be there, then only we can multiply. Okay, if different number of things will be there in each group, then it will be impossible. Okay, keep this in your mind. Next thing, you can see what it is written. Suppose student, one example is also given to you. See example. In this example, you can see it is written, here are 4 group of orange. There are 3 orange in each group. There are 4 groups. How many? 4 groups. In all the 4 groups, there are 3 oranges. How many? 3 oranges. One group 3 orange, second group 3 orange, third group 3 orange, fourth group 3 orange. Everywhere that is 3 orange only. So there are 12 oranges altogether so far. So 4 groups of 3 is 12. Okay, 4 groups, number of things 3. 4 into 3, 12. Okay, so like this we used to multiply anything. Okay, if unequal number will be there in each group, it will not be possible to do the multiplication. This we have already discussed in the last class. Again I'm discussing. Multiplication word problem can be framed using different terms like numbers of times, as many, multiplied by, in all, altogether. These are the some words. It is not like enough, it is not only, but it these some words are there with the help of which multiplication word problems can be framed. Okay, so now just see, this we have discussed in the last class also, means last video also have discussed. So students, the page which I have opened here, in that you can see one word problem is there written, story problem, multiplication and division. But division we are not going to do here, only multiplication. The cost of a pencil box is rupees 10, 10 rupees and 50 paise. Find the cost of 5 such boxes. Okay, if the cost of any pencil box is there, and if the cost of that pencil box is 10 rupees and 50 paise, so what will be the cost of how many? 5 such pencil box. So what we will do, just see. First we have read the question. Now just see. Now we will write the cost of pencil box equals to the cost of 5 pencil box. Okay, that is 10 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, number of pencil box 5. How much? 5. So first step, multiply paise. First we have to multiply paise because one is in rupee and one is in paise. So we cannot multiply two different units together. So first change the unit and make it in paise only. Both the numbers make it in paise only, or either in rupee only, any one. Okay, so we are what doing? Multiplying. We are converting here the first multiply paise. First we will multiply paise. 50 paise into 5. What we are doing? 50 paise into 5. So when we are doing 50 into 5, then 5 into 0 is 0 and 5 into 5 is 25. So 250 paise we have got. First step. Second step, change the paise to rupee and place the paise. Okay, first we have done. Now we have to change the paise to rupee and paise. Okay, so what we will do here? 250 paise equals to 2 rupees and 50 paise. 250 paise equals to 2 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, this much we have done. After that we will move to the third column, that is multiply rupees. What we have to do? Multiply rupees. First we have multiplied paise, then we have converted, then we are going to multiply rupees. So 10 rupees into 5, again what you will get? 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 1 is 5, so 50 rupees. Now add rupees and paise from step 2 and 3. From step 2 and step 3, add the numbers. Okay, because in step 2 we have already converted, we have already changed the paise to rupee, we have already changed now. So now we have to add the third step and the second step together. So 50 paise plus 2 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, when we will add this, so 50 paise plus 2 rupees, 50 rupees plus 2 rupees, so both are in rupees, so 52 rupees. Okay, and this paise is given separately. Okay, so that paise we will write as it is, because we don't have to add anything here, because there we have got only 50 rupees, so 50 we have already added with 2 rupees, so we have got 52 rupees and 50 paise. The cost of 5 pencil box is 52 rupees and 50 paise. The cost of 5 pencil box is 52 rupees and 50 paise. So the statement what can be the statement? I have already told. Now you can write the statement in this way. Okay, there the step by step how to multiply that is given, but you can write the statement of this question in this way. Cost of pencil box. Cost of pencil boxes, that is written cost of 5 pencil box. Upside it is written that is 10 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. After that you can mention one more statement, number of pencil box, that is 5. There it is not mentioned, that you can mention that one. That you can mention cost of 5 pencil box is this much. Okay. Here you can mention one more statement, number of pencil box, that is 5. Okay, number of pencil box, that is 5. Then you can write the cost of 5 pencil box is this much. This is the last statement, therefore the cost of 5 pencil box. So total we have calculated. Now let's move to the next. So here also you can see dear that it is written one. First we will read the question. Problem is given, the first squirrel has 134 nuts. First squirrel. Okay, the second squirrel has 2 times as many nuts as the first squirrel. What the total number of nuts second squirrel is having, that is not given. How much total number of nuts the second squirrel is having, that is not given. Okay, only the first squirrel what having, that is given, that is 134. But the second squirrel is having 2 times more than the first squirrel, that is given. Now after, how many nuts the second squirrel having? How many nuts the second squirrel having? So what we will do, just see. We will multiply. So we will write the statement. Number of nuts first squirrel have, number of nuts first squirrel have, then number of times as many nuts as the first squirrel, that is 2. Okay, that is 2. Now we have to multiply 134 by 2. So let's multiply. See, 2 we have to multiply with 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So we will write 8 here. Now we will read the table of 2 3 times. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So we will write 6 here. Now we will read the table of 2 one time. 2 ones are 2. So this how much total number of nuts the second squirrel is having? That is 268. 268 nuts with second squirrel. Okay, with the second squirrel. Okay, so what we will write the last statement? We will write the last statement. The second squirrel has 268 nuts. Okay, because the number of nuts which second squirrel is having not given. Keep this in your mind. It is given that the second squirrel is having 2 times more than the first squirrel. 2 times more. So whatever the number of nuts the first squirrel is having, from that we will multiply the number of nuts the second squirrel is having. Okay, then we will get the total number of nuts which second squirrel is having. So in this question also you can see what it is written. The cost of a chair is rupees 800. The cost of a chair, there is one particular chair, cost of that chair is 800 rupees. You have to find the cost of 5 such chairs. How many chairs? 5 such chairs. So just see, cost of a chair you will write, that is 800. Number of chair is 5. Number of chair is 5. Or it is written cost of 5 chairs. Okay, you can write cost of 5 chairs, cost of 1 chair, this much is given, cost of 5 chairs you have to calculate. Or you can write number of chairs. We will multiply 800 by 5. So 8 into 0 is 0, 8 into 0, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 0 is 0, and 5 into 8 is multiply. We have to read the table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. So how many? 40. So the total amount we will write here. Okay, you can see it is written. So what is the cost of total 5 chair? That is 5,000. If cost of 1 chair is 800, so the cost of 5 such chair is 4,000. Okay, so we have multiplied here and we have got the total cost of all the 5 chairs. So we will write cost, therefore the cost of 5 chair, that is rupees 4,000. That is rupees 4,000. Okay, so this is how we used to write up the statement. Okay, you can see I have underlined the clue word, that is what we have to calculate a chair. What cost of that chair? 800. How many number of chairs we have to calculate here? Cost 5 chairs. Here what is asked? It is asked how many number of chairs. So if one chair, if there is one chair and that one chair cost is 800, how many? What is the cost of 8 such chairs? So we have calculated. Now let's move with the next question. See, in this question also it is written, Simran earns rupees this much every month. Each month, every month, each month. Okay, in a month, same. How much does she earn in a year? Means total year. Here it is only 1 month given. 1 month earning is given. But you have to calculate the total earning of the all month. So what you will do? The statement will be money earned every month. Money earned every month. That is given. Number of month in a year. How many number of months are there in a year? 12 months are there in a year. How many? 12 months are there. So we have to calculate here with 12 is 15893 by 12. Multiply by 12. Let's multiply it. Here 2-digit number is there and there 5-digit number is there. So let's multiply here. Multiply. So 2 table we have to read 3 times. Okay, or 3 table we can read 2 times. So let's read the 3 table here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we have got 6, we have written. Now we have to read the table of 2 9 times or 9 2 times. We will read here the table of 9 2 times. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So if 18 is a 2-digit number again, my dear, so the second we will write here and the first digit we will take carry. Now after that we will multiply with 8. 8 into 2 or 2 into 8. So let's read the table of 8 this time. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So 7 we will write here and 1 again carry. Now again 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5. So, or 5 into 2. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 plus how much? 1. So we will get 11. So 11 is also 2-digit number. So we will write 1 here and 1 we will take carry. Now 2 table 1 time. 2 ones are 2 or 1 twos are 2. Then 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2 and 2 ones is also 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So the first partial product we have got. The first partial product we have got. Okay, now after this, my dear, we have to find out the second partial product. Okay, so what we will do? Now we will first, at the first place, we will put 0. What we will put? 0 at the first place. Now let's start multiplying. We have to multiply with 1. So we are already knowing that if any number is multiplied with 1, we will get the number itself. So 1 3s are 3, 1 9s are 9, 1 8s are 8, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. Done. Both the partial product we have got. Now we will add the numbers. What we will do? We will add the numbers. Let's add it, my dear. See, we will add it. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 you will write down and 1 you will take carry. Now 9 plus 7 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. 7 we will write down, 1 we will take carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 we will take carry. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Now 1 plus nothing is given upside. So 1. So what is the total product you have got, my dear? The total product is 190716. This is the total product which we have got. Okay. So what the last statement will be for this question? The last statement will be money earned in a year. Before, previously, it was written money earned every month. Money earned every month. It was given every month here. You can see in the question it is given. Now we have calculated money earned in a total year, means in a 12 months. In total 12 months, what is the total earning of that Simran? What is the total earning of that girl is Simran? So what is the total earning? 190716. So what you will write as answer? Therefore, okay, therefore you can give the sign of therefore here. Therefore, okay, Simran earns rupees sign is given, rupees 1 comma 90 comma 716 in a year. Okay, complete. So this is all, my dear. Whatever the examples which I have discussed, whatever the problems which I have discussed, how to frame the statement which I have discussed, please try to go through it so that you can also form the statement by your own self. That is all. Thank you everyone, and see the if any query, come to the class with query. Thank you.